Is your water heater constantly running out of hot water? Feeling icy cold water halfway through your shower? Or maybe you're building a new place, or your old water heater finally kicked the bucket. It's time to upgrade. Today we're diving into how to choose the right water heater. Size, type, everything you need to stay toasty and save some cash. Plumber's Payday. Welcome to Plumber's Payday. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a plumbing newbie, getting the wrong water heater is frustrating and a very expensive mistake. Today, let's make sure it doesn't happen. Section 1. Sizing up your needs. The first and most important question is, how much hot water do you really need? We're not talking about your dream of an hour-long spa shower, though I get it, but what you actually use. So here's a breakdown. Small households, 1 to 2 people, a 30 to 40 gallon tank usually does the trick. Medium households, 3 to 4 people, aim for 40 to 50 gallons for comfort. Large households, 5 plus people, 60 gallon water heaters minimum, and you might want to consider an 80 gallon model. Think about your busiest times. Do you run the dishwasher, laundry, and showers all at once? If so, you might need to size up. Fuel wars. Gas versus electric versus 60 gallons minimum. And you might consider an 80 gallon model. Think about your busiest times. Do you run the dishwasher, laundry, and showers all at once? If so, you might need to size up. Section 2. Fuel wars. Gas versus electric and other options. You've got your size, now let's talk fuel options. This affects your monthly cost and how fast you get hot water. Natural gas heats up super fast, best if you already have a gas line in your home. Electric, easy to install, but generally slower and with potentially higher monthly costs. Propane, similar to natural gas, good for rural areas without gas lines, but fuel can be pricier. Tankless, endless hot water on demand, but pricey install. Might not be great with huge demand. Heat pump, super energy efficient, but more expensive and usually need more space. Honestly, there's no one type fits all. Do your homework on what fuels are available to you, how much they cost, and long-term energy savings. Bonus round. Other things to consider. Now let's not forget some bonus features that can make a big difference. Energy efficiency. Look for the Energy Star label. It'll save you big money in the long run. recovery rate. This is how fast your heater refills with hot water. Super important for big families. Installation. Tankless ones can be complex. Factor in the cost if you're hiring a pro. Warranties. Peace of mind, especially with those fancy new models. Where do I even look? So the big question, where do you find these water heaters? Big box stores. Good for in-person comparison, but selection and knowledge can be limited. Online retailers sometimes offer wider variety. Always check reviews. Plumbing supply stores. Best for expert advice and those special order heaters. Manufacturer websites. Good for super detailed specs before you buy. I hope this hot water deep dive helped you make the right choice. Remember, a little research now saves a lot of headaches and cool showers later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome DIY and home improvement tips. Let me know in the comments below what kind of water heater you have. Did you size it right? Any surprises? Thanks for watching. Stay warm out there.